Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Wednesday, February 19. Well, interesting market. Violent and ugly on one hand, and with a lot of opportunities on the other hand. Morning, Sebastian, Noure, Christian, Sebastian, Andrei. Good morning, Stefan. So let's start with Bitcoin on daily. I think that's the best. As a day trader, you should start with daily, and then from that point you can zoom in. So on daily, you can see long reload zone, feeling some wicks here. Indecision, nice rejection from 78.6, really nice one. You can see this tail. Nice retest, rejection from 93, 400, 500. I'm pushing back up. Overall, kind of an indecision candle, like we had multiple ones in the last 2 weeks. But love to see that the market, when it's going below, 95, is pushing back up. I'm still waiting for this pattern here to happen. I'm still waiting for W breakout and retest on daily time frame, but overall I'm okay with what's happening in the market. You cannot expect the market to take all the beginners when we'll do the next step to the upside. So they'll shake everyone as much as possible, and then we'll go up. And it's still possible to have that scenario where we'll go to the downside. Look at this level, it's untested. We can see ugly. We need bad news, we need some, kind of a black swan event or something, ugly rumor or something to panic until 70 area, but it's possible. Anyway, people will panic sell if they'll see something like that, and that will be a nice opportunity for us. For the moment, still the range, still thinking the same scenario like last week, like this week, like yesterday. W breakout retest and maybe higher. Ethereum, not too many things we can say about Ethereum. You can see we have the W breakout retest and we are holding the level here. I will say a little higher, but I saw the open interest, and I don't know, maybe we'll get lucky and we'll get a fill here below 2,500, just maybe. So seeing that everyone or a lot of longs are opening makes me think that they'll clean up once more and then we'll push higher, just maybe. So pay attention to this level, to this area here, below 2,500, and maybe a 61.8 lower time frame W, something like that. In meantime, you can play Ethereum, on lower time frame with Holy Grail. You can scalp up and down as much as you want. I'm not touching the short side. Okay? I'm focusing only on long ideas. So that's Ethereum. Not too many things, new things I could say. Look at it. It's a small range here. Okay, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. We had a fake out on this bot, and we are back at the neckline. Nothing happened. Exactly at the same level. That's why I said that it's important for this level 003 to be accepted. Yeah, if the market will push above it and will close above, then and we'll take it as a support, then we can talk about altcoin season, we can talk about Ethereum season, we can talk about many things. But until then, I still consider we are in the deviation phase. We are below this important level. Bitcoin dominance, similar. Yeah, we had the pump, we had the dump, and now we are just ranging here. We retested the 61.50. You can draw a short reload zone from this high to this low and see that we touched 61.8 most probably. Let's see if I'm right. Okay. Almost. You can see we didn't touch 61.8, so we can push one more, make a AM on lower time frame, and then let's see 4-hour chart. Maybe it's looking different. Well, 4-hour chart is looking like it's forming an AM. We can see here. Look at it. That could be nice. Let's wait and see what will happen. Back on daily. Morning Bova. Morning Bucur. Well, some people have a strange name and I cannot spell it, so I prefer not to do it. So, hey everyone. So, that's Bitcoin dominance. We talked about Ethereum versus Bitcoin. We can look at total market. Total market is still above 3 trillion, still consolidating this level. Nothing bearish, nothing wrong. Even if we'll accept below, I still don't think we should be bearish. Similar on total 3. Overall, it's a range and people are donating money to the market. If they made any money in the uptrend, now they are giving everything back and maybe something extra. That's how the market is working. Until you learn to play the range game, you will make money in a trend and you will donate everything back. Try to anticipate the next trend, and actually it's a range. And you lose money, and give everything back. Yeah, you are one of them, Anas. Okay. Altcoins here on higher time frame. Well, we can look at some of them on daily. I don't need more than that because on weekly we know we have a damn good location. Well, let's look. Sideways, that it's consolidation that will form a weekly double at some point in time, which is really nice. Yeah. Who is working with us in Crypto Traders Arena knows that we anticipating W's on lower time on daily and weekly time frame, and we are trying to play them. Yeah, you can see W's here, breakout retest. Similar will happen here. We'll consolidate, maybe another SFU, but at some point in time we'll make a double and we'll push higher. Similar here. Almost everything looks the same, people. Yeah. Focus on altcoins that indeed they have a strong community, they have a utility, tokenomics are not that bad, supply is not unlimited. You know the drill. Yeah. Slow and steady, we'll manage to consolidate, make a weekly W, and then after a weekly W, we know what's next. But a weekly W will take time to form. That's the problem. And people don't have patience to wait for a weekly W. That's their problem. Look at it. Look at it. Every time we touch this level, now we cleaned up everything here. Making a W is pushing higher. Well, it's a old shitcoin. Well, let's look at a new one. Okay, W breakout. Now we are testing the lows. Wait for that W. Nobody is saying to catch falling knives, or if you want a setup or a position trade, okay, wait for a weekly W. If you want to dollar cost average, feel free to start already. It's not a bad level. Okay, so that's about altcoins on higher time frame. You can see they are trying. Peer below $2, ran at the lows. RSR needs to come back down and give me a feel here. SSV at the support. Look at it. I don't know. I think it's a good opportunity here, even for a swing trader. So, okay, on weekly we are here, on daily we are trying to do something, on 4-hour chart. Let's see. Well, there you go. You want to see this was an opportunity for you? Well, let me show you. Let me show you. So there are a lot of opportunities there. Oh, look at it. 60.8. Well, in confluence with this line, which is the previous low, there are some things you can play. Multiple altcoins have I don't know, 4-hour mountain man, long shark levels, some W's on 1 hour, some W's on 4-hour chart. It's just the guy behind the screen. Yeah, that's the broken piece, let's call it that way. So if people are panicking here, well, nothing I can do. And you saw, look at it. Stefan posted this one last night. Look at it. How you can be bearish here? How you cannot, you're not tempted to buy here? Maybe your plan says to wait a bit more, but you are not tempted to buy here when we sweep the lows and then we accept back above and we retest? Look at it. And we retested here. This was the fucking entry. Come on, people. Stefan posted it even on general chat, I think. Come on, look at it. Breakout. And you had a nice entry here. This is a W on 1 hour chart. You can see it? Well, W. Up to you, people. Okay, let's go back on daily. I don't know. I should look at anything else. Well, not quite. Okay, let's go back on lower time frame. Well, I have Bitcoin here. We posted this trade not yesterday, one day before. And we said, if the market will come back down here at 78.6, we'll take a long. Yeah? Well, the market touched this level, but some people somehow managed to miss the trade. I don't know how they managed to do that, but it's up to them. Maybe they are too bearish here. Well, no, it's going to zero. Well, that's not trading, people. That's something else. If I said, my plan says to take the shark, I'll put the limit order before and I'll wait. Yeah, because the market was ugly, I was aggressive here and I put the stop loss almost at scratch sooner than usual. Yes, okay, but that's it. We are in the trade and we should play the setup. We'll come back down here. Well, if the market will come back down here, I don't want to be in that trade anymore. Sorry. After this rejection, if we'll accept back here, no, thank you. So, yeah, okay, I have the stop loss there, but if the market is consolidating a little bit here and is pushing higher, well, that will give me a nice profit. Shark, it's a nice setup. The crypto traders are in a way to play the shark because the name of shark setup is from TRI, but it's a bit different than what we are playing. We are playing straight the level without anything else. Yeah, we are playing 78.6 without looking at anything else. If we'll hit this level, we'll get in. Okay, so what we can do now? Well, now it's kind of ugly to do anything on Bitcoin. If you are long, stay long. If you are not long, then stay on the sidelines. Sorry. You can, on 4-hour chart, you can wait for a W. So, even if we'll push higher, we'll come back down at some point and we'll form a W. I don't know. I have the shark. I prefer not to do anything. You reached 1-to-1 here on shark. So, if you want to take some profit off, close 50%, it's up to you. I'm not micromanaging the trades for you people. I'm telling you ideas, usually before the entry, complete trade ideas with stop loss and take profit. The rest is up to you. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here to, I don't know, babysit anyone. Okay? So, I will post. Well, okay, we are posting a lot more on VIP. We are posting more on premium. But we are posting a lot of ideas on general also. If you are smart and you know what you're doing in the market, you can make money from the general part. You don't need more. You have access on this live stream every day. It's more than you can ask for any community to give you without paying anything. Okay. Overall, if you zoom out on 4-hour chart, well, this was just another retest of these levels, and usually we push higher. We go sideways and then we push higher. If you really want to chase it, you can play it with Holy Grail, but that means you are a premium member or a VIP to have access on Holy Grail. Here in the middle, without a good location, without Holy Grail, I don't know what to tell you to do. You can scalp, but scalping is not for everyone. So that's Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Well, similar. We didn't touch Shark, but you can see. Let's put 1 hour. Go lower time frame. If you go on a lower time frame, if you go on enough, low enough, you will see the W. The W in the long reload zone. Yeah, look at it. Look at the W in the long reload zone. Simple. And we draw the levels in the day, yesterday. As a few of these lows. So seeing the market taking the liquidity here and then forming a W in a long reload zone should give you some signs. We had some bullish divergence here. Yeah? On MACD, on RSI, nothing on OBV, but OBV, you don't see a bullish divergence every day. But you get the idea. If you wanted, even if you didn't get the 78.6, you had the double here. You had one W, breakout retest, and then up. Now could go sideways and push all the way up in the short reload zone. I could see that happening pretty fast. Good morning. Yeah. So, yeah, we had the same kind of setup, same movement on Ethereum. I didn't post it on Ethereum because it was a bit difficult to see it for beginners. And we had other ones. Okay, now let's put back 1 hour at least. Bera, if you remember about this one, I told you about support and resistance. You can see once we accepted above 6, we retested, we made a double, and we are pushing higher. I saw the setup here forming. I didn't took it. I have a bag on spot. Well, made some money on Bera already. Put the profit in spot. So now here I don't like it. We are between 7 and 6, and no. Good pump, yes. I'll touch it, no. Let's look at Solana, because a lot of people are saying Solana. It's going to zero. No, it's not going anywhere. Solana, you can see, is consolidating this level. What do you think will happen if we'll accept above this level? What do you think will happen with Solana? And yeah, let me see. I retweeted because I liked what he said. Yeah, Solana unlocks. People, don't be bearish on 2% unlock when everyone knew long time ago about it. Okay, usually it's a bad news textbook. It is bad news. Well, it's sell the rumor, buy the news. Okay, so don't be the public. Well, we'll have the unlocks, then the market will dump. No, not quite. So here on Solana, you can play this diamond pattern, because it's a diamond pattern here. Okay, a bit uglier, but it's there. Or W. Let's see 4 hour chart how it's looking. Yeah, it's looking like a W here, no? If we'll accept above 171 on 4 hour chart, then you can play the breakout, or you can play the retest. Yeah? So something like this. Don't be bearish now on Solana. You are not bearish at 250 and now you are bearish. Come on, something like this. So you can play something like this, or you can play the breakout here. But that's a good entry overall. Don't sell your house. Could dump lower, of course you can. But you have the pump chaser zone from entire range, people. You are in the pump chaser zone. Usually in a bull market, pump chaser zone holds the level. So that will be entry at 171.50 50 cents and stop loss at 160. Well, let's make some round numbers here. So let's put 160 even. And here let's put 171.5. Okay. Okay. So we have a nice stop loss, entry, stop loss. Let's find a take profit for this trade. Okay. Think we can do something like that on 4-hour chart? I think we can. So that's the high. We assume that this is the low for the moment. Yeah, it's what we are playing at this point in time. And we can say, well, let's say that the market is not bullish, just a dead cat bounce. Okay. There you go. So that's a dump chaser zone. A bounce in 38.2 will give you 3.5. Well, more than okay-ish. Okay. So if you will reach this level, you can close, I don't know, 25, 50%. It's up to you. And then if the market is really bullish, okay, then you can talk about short reload zone. Okay. Short reload. Okay. That will push you all the way up here, which is 6 to 1. Not bad. Okay. Or make it a free position at 1 to 1, or how you please to do, and then wait. I could see the market playing here in this area, $250. Yeah. Look at the resistance there. I think we'll retest that sooner than later. We'll retest that level. People being bearish at $200 or below $200 is not the best thing. If you saw the top here, you saw almost $300. You said, well, it's too fast. Look at the movement. It's too fast, too far. Let's short it a little bit. Okay, but below $220, I don't see why you want to short. If you are a day trader, okay, but swing trader, 4-hour and higher, no. So that's a potential swing trade idea for you people. Okay. You can see the W on RSI already, W on OBV trying to form. Take it or leave it. Breakout or retest, that's up to you. Okay? One idea a day, it's more than enough to be profitable in this market. If you play a clear setup every day, that means you have 5 trades every week. Okay, that means you have 20 trades every month. As a swing trader is more than okay. Okay, if you take 1 trade a day, if you find a setup on 4-hour chart and higher, do that for 2 years, and you'll see where it goes. But respect the setup, respect the plan. Not everyone should be a scalper or a day trader. Okay, people. TIA, well, you can see it's staying above $3. That's the main thing. And you can see we closed, candle body close on the daily candle, yeah. Close 299.99. So he's trying to keep $3 here. Can see it? Someone is saying, well, no. Go back up. It's not the strongest one at this point in time, but that will change. Tao, we discussed this one, and I posted on VIP last night, on Premium also, I think. I don't remember exactly, but let me show you what I saw there. Sorry. I saw AB equals CD setup. Yeah. entry at 25. Well, I don't think is the case because we are here every day, and I posted here in this area. Who wanted to take this W breakout retest? Well, now it's in profit. It's up to you, people. You had the LJ there. Now you have a bot setup or an AB equals CD setup here. Take it here, stop loss here. The best trade was here. This W breakout and retest. This was the entry. Okay, this was the best entry possible. My entry is 372. 72, something in here. Well, the W in this area, man. W below 33%. It's a not so easy setup, but we are teaching this in Couple 1. Okay. Let's see. Anything else? Tao. Well, everything looks kind of similar here. They are trying to form a base for the next round. If Bitcoin will hold and will keep the range, will not drop like a hammer, yeah, altcoins have a good chance to pump. You cannot expect 100x from the top, no? You have to try to buy low as possible. Well, it's up to you. Who remembers this trade here? Remember it? Look at it now. Has more than 1 week old. Look at it. Shark, W, textbook one. But when I said about it, I don't like it, it will go to zero. Well, there you go. Okay, people. If you have any questions, please type in the chat. If not, we'll call it a live stream. About hype, they had some news yesterday. You can see news, but still strong, still in the range. Yeah. If you have spot, don't touch it. If will dump lower, buy more. It's up to you. Not a financial advisor. By the way, a lot of people said, well, Litecoin. Well, Litecoin, yeah, Litecoin. Fucking Litecoin, look at it. It's strong. You have to admit, you have to recognize the strength of Litecoin lately. Yeah. When will break out? Well, I don't know. Maybe this time, maybe next time. I posted a scenario on Twitter a couple of days ago. Breakout retest on Litecoin. I don't get it, Jada. I don't understand your question. How is Tailcoin? Tailcoin, it's a coin or it's a ticker? Give me the ticker. If it's a ticker, put it with caps. If it's not a ticker, yeah. So, Litecoin here looks strong. What do you want me to do here? Well, it's only one thing you can do. Draw a long reload zone and wait here. And if we'll pump even higher, that will put this area as a long reload zone, you can see. So the market, if the market will come back down here in this area and will make a double, okay. Chasing it here, nah, sorry. For the moment, long reload zone is down here. I'm not chasing anything. I don't know what Tailcoin is. Eh, probably will be something. Daily. Yeah, nothing special. You can see all the bearish divergences, too old to consider it, but it's there. 4-hour chart. Well, we had some yams. Yeah, we had a yam top. dropping down. This is a support area. Let's see if we'll hold. But overall, even on 4-hour chart, you can do something like this. Okay, something like this, Jade. Yeah, you can see a confluence here. So if the market will drop here and make a W, you have a chance. Chasing here, no. It's in the middle of pump chaser zone, but I don't know. They have some futurist news, or they have something to keep them pushing higher and higher. I see the M there, I don't like that. You want to play a trade, a scalp or a day trade here? 1 hour on pump chaser zone? Okay. But you have to be damn sure it's just a setup and get the fuck out. I don't know if you are able to do that, Jade. I'll be honest. So you need a W here and play that W if will come. But if that W will fail, get the fuck out. Sorry. Only on setup. If you want more, wait in the long reload zone. Classic. Wait, long reload zone will probably come back down. The long reload zone. If you are able to play that pump chaser zone, play the W, and if you'll touch your stop loss, get out, okay. You know better than me what you are capable of. No. Higher highs and higher lows on RSI is bullish divergence? Well, depends. Depends if you have lower highs, higher highs, no. Higher highs and higher lows, no. Not bullish divergence. Definitely not. For bullish divergence, you need a lower low and a higher low. You need a low and a higher low. Yeah, for bullish. You are not looking in the indicator at the top, at the tops. You are looking at the lows. Okay, let's see. You don't even have a W on 4-hour chart, man, here. So wait for a fucking W. You want to a day trade? Okay, a day trade on 1 hour. You have the W, take it, but same idea. If will fail, get the fuck out. And you don't have the W yet. You need the clear W. So let's assume that this is the W, okay? This is the neckline. This is the second part of the W. You need the market to take the neckline and probably pump here, retest, and then go. You can frame the trade easily, long position, entry somewhere in here, stop loss at the weak low, don't be stupid and put it here. At least a 2-to-1, so 2-to-1 risk to reward. But if the market will come back down here and touch the stop loss, get the fuck out. It's just a trade. On higher time frame, let's clean it up. Daily is dropping like a hammer. Nothing to do. You need at least a daily W, if not a weekly one. Well, at least it's attempting a bullish divergence here on OBV, you can see. Something. But you still need a W. So don't hurry up and chase it. Play that setup on 1 hour if you are a day trader, or wait for a daily W. Simple as that. What utility has Arjun? I don't know. I don't care too much. I have a list of utility coins, and this one is not on that list. But doesn't look bad. Has some signs here with this OBV. And yeah, okay, it's dropping. People are scared. Wait for the daily W. Play a setup. You trust this one, you can dollar cost average, it's up to you. I don't know anything about it. There are tons of coins, I don't know anything about them. I'm looking just from a technical standpoint. And the only thing I could see on this one is 1 hour time frame, a possible setup trying to form there, nothing more. So it's looking at exactly like on OBV, who asked about higher highs. So you can see here, I'll show you an example. Okay, so you have for bullish divergence, you have a low and you have a lower low here on the price action. Then if you go on OBV, you have a low and you have a higher low. That's bullish divergence. But this is a potential bullish divergence, man. It's not a confirmed bullish divergence. Potential means weak. Yes, well, it's there, but to confirm the bullish divergence, you need this chart, the OBV, to go above this level, and that will confirm that divergence. Until then, just a potential one. So nothing about higher highs and higher lows there. It's about low and higher lows. Okay? I hope you understand what I said. If not, feel free to join in the next Capua 1 and I'll explain you in detail a lot deeper. For a live stream on public, I think I did a good job explaining you. Yeah. It's easy to see a divergence. It's easy to even understand the divergence. Well, people understand it out of some time, but to frame a setup, a complete setup, you need location, you need indicator confirmation, which means bullish divergence or bearish divergence, depending what you want to hunt, or could mean the indicator are confirming the price action, and then you need some structure to try to frame a setup. And then you need to repeat that thousands of times and you'll make money. Not that easy like it looks. Everyone wants to be a trader, but nobody wants to learn and put the time and effort. Well, people, I think it's more than enough. We have 40 minutes almost. Overall, higher time frame, nothing we can do. It's just consolidating. We talked about these levels. You can see we just touched the lower part of the range. We bounce back. Lower time frame, we are playing setups, which is nice. We are making money. I don't know if I can do more than that. Yesterday was a public live stream and we discussed about this shark setup. Nobody has a reason not to be in that trade. The rest is up to you, people. Please don't panic again. I saw yesterday a lot of people panic again. I had to send message again. Buy when it's blood on the streets. You did it? Your favorite influencer will post after the market will bounce strong enough, and then will say, well, you bought the dip anon? I did it last night. That's the difference. I said it in the dip. I said, buy the fucking dip. Don't be stupid. You don't see that it's a retest? Anyway, we are here to make money, people. Focus on making money. Focus on respecting the setups, the risk management. Ignore if you cannot, I don't know, if you don't have experience, ignore the influencers. With the last scandal on Solana, nobody has a reason to trust any fucking influencer. You saw what they are doing, yeah? They are extracting money from you. Realize, wake up. At least people who are watching us here, you should know that, you should understand. We are posting tons of messages. Look at it. He's posting at the fucking top. Look at it. He has a limit order there and he's using his community just to get filled on that limit order. Don't be stupid. Don't be public. Well, the rest is up to you, people. I'm not here to criticize everyone on Twitter. That's why I even said to Stefan, let's not post anymore about what other people are doing. They are scammers, they are not scammers. It's not our business. We should focus on making money ourselves. and not what scammers do. They are, it's full of scammers. But at the same time, I see a lot of people following them and then coming to us and, well, I bought the top. Well, I didn't set to buy the top. Now what you want? Help me. And it's kind of impossible to help someone that it's over leveraged, overexposed from the top. Yeah? Yeah, has 100% on Tau at least. But if you look at his profile, you'll understand why he has that and why he's shilling Tau at the top. Just go on his Twitter and you'll understand. You want me to show you? The best thing ever. Wiz. How the fuck is called? Wiz. I saw him posting something interesting at some point in time. Let's see if I could find it. He's bragging about this chart. Why is not bragging about Tau? I saw him being one of the influencers for Tau. So he's collaborating with the fucking team to shill you the top. That was the idea behind it. Yeah? I saw that tweet. I don't know exactly where, but yeah? He's collaborating with the Tau team, with everyone to shill you the top. So when the Tau team wants to download, to sell some Tau at the top, they know that's the local top. They form the local top. We'll use Wiz and other influencers to put some hype, put some gas on the fire, so you will get FOMO, you will buy, and they'll sell and dump on you. It's clear as day. You don't see it? Not my problem. Me and Stefan, we told you multiple times. Stefan even is shorting every time he sees that guy posting about Tau. He's hedging his spot position on Tau. Good job, Stefan. Like it. Okay, let's call it a live stream. Yeah, let's close it. It's I don't know, 43 minutes, more than enough for a presumably 20 minutes live stream. It's double. It's enough. Okay, people. See you in New York session if you are a premium member or a VIP. See you tomorrow with the same live stream if you are a general member. If you want to join Crypto Traders Arena, you have the link in the description. If you want to join premium, only 2 places until the end of the month. VIP is closed until the end of the month, so don't DM Stefan day in and day out. Kappa 1 and Kappa 2 registration closed. We are focusing on the programs. If we'll do another program of Kappa 1 and Kappa 2, we'll see. We'll announce on the server if will be the case. That being said, let's call it a live stream. See you next time.